This is the Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender with Auto-iQ. Let's see what's in the box. The blender is comprised of 4 pieces: the base, the pitcher, the stacked blade assembly, and the pitcher lid. On the base is the main control panel. This features an on-off button, along with 3 Auto-iQ presets for different tasks. Smoothie, which is pretty self-explanatory. Ice Crush, which is intended for making frozen drinks, such as margaritas and daiquiris. And Ice Cream, which is designed for the proper blending of ice cream ingredients. There's also a complement of manual controls: low, medium, high, and pulse settings. The underside of the base features 2 rubber feet in the rear, along with 2 suction cups in the front. To assemble the unit, place the pitcher on top of the base so that the sides of the pitcher are parallel to the white lines marked on the top surface of the base. Grasp the handle and rotate the pitcher clockwise to lock it into place. Next, insert the blade assembly into the pitcher, placing it over the drive gear shaft. It's normal for the blade assembly to have a little bit of a wobble to it. Ultimately, it'll be further stabilized once the lid is in place. The underside of the lid has this reinforced hole which receives the metal pin of the blade assembly. Finally, place the lid on the pitcher, aligning the arrow on the corner of the lid with the arrow on the handle of the pitcher. Press down lightly on the lid and lock the handle into place. Obviously, an empty blender isn't very useful, so I'm going to press the release button, remove the lid, and put this thing to work. The primary reason I bought this blender was to make fruit smoothies, so that seemed like a natural for a brief demonstration. The recipe I'm using is very simple and straightforward. It consists of 1 overripe frozen banana, 4 ounces of yogurt, this one happens to be peach flavored, and approximately 1/2 cup of juice. I typically use orange, but I accidentally bought this orange-peach mango blend, so I'm just going to roll with it. Now I'll insert all the ingredients, replace the lid, hit the power button, and select the Auto-iQ smoothie preset. Then sit back and relax. The unit will cycle on and off several times until it comes to a complete stop automatically. The total runtime in this case was just under 1 minute. Overall, my impression of this unit so far is very favorable. It certainly blends smoothies well. It also seems solidly built and is fairly attractive as far as appliances go. Ninja blenders seem to generally receive high marks on Amazon, and this model was no exception, with 4.8 out of 5 stars based upon 1,260 ratings. If you're interested in this particular blender, I've included a link in the video description section.